You're not stuck, you just haven't decided yet. And I know that might be hard for you to hear, but if you were really stuck, there would be nothing you could do. And that's not your situation. You've just been sitting in the thinking about it phase for too long, and I personally know that because I lived there too. People say things like, I don't know where to start, I need more information, I just want to make the right decision. But what they're really saying is, I'm not ready to commit. Because the moment you decide, everything changes. Your focus changes, your actions change, your standards change, your life changes. And if we're being honest, some of you already know exactly what you need to do. You've been watching the videos, you've been saving the posts, you've been researching for weeks, months, and many of you years, but nothing has changed. And it's not because you don't know what to do, it's honestly because you haven't decided to do it. That's the first step. Let me tell you what that looked like for me. I was a cocktail waitress and I knew I didn't want that life anymore. It was a very unfulfilling life for me. I was a single mom and I didn't want to keep missing time with my son. I didn't want to keep trying to schedule my life around a job, and I didn't want to keep asking for permission to live my life. And knowing all of that, it still didn't change anything. Everything changed when I made a decision, though. Not when I felt ready, not when I had a perfect plan, because to be honest, I had no plan. It was when I decided. Everything changed when I finally decided that I'm going to figure this out. I was fed up with just being content with how things were. So that's when I took my first brow class. And I want to be very clear, I was scared. I didn't know I didn't know if it would work. I didn't know if I'd be good at it because I'm not an artist by any means, and I didn't know if I was going to make any money. But I decided anyway. I saw what the potential was, and the potential was enough for me to take the first step. But then came the part that no one talks about, or no one talks about enough. The first time being an entrepreneur and having absolutely no idea how to do anything and trying to figure it out on your own, or trying to find the person to help you figure it out. Unfortunately, I didn't have a person to help me figure it out. I had to figure it out on my own. And because of that, the first 6 months, nothing worked. I'm telling you, nothing worked. I had no clients. The money wasn't consistent. Actually had no money. The only money that was coming in was from my cocktailing job. Money was going out as far as my business was concerned because I was paying a weekly rent for my first space, which was it was less than 100, no, it was like 101 square feet. So I was paying $250 a week for rent. The money was going out every week and nothing was coming in as far as business was concerned. Of course, the doubt started creeping in. The stress was creeping in. Did I make the right decision? Those thoughts were creeping in. And this is where most people say, see, I knew it. It wasn't for me. I made a mistake. And they go back to what's familiar. They go back to their plan B. That's pretty much their plan B. If plan A doesn't work for me to start this business, I'll just go back and stick to my plan B. So a lot of people end up going to what's familiar. But that's not what was happening for me. I decided that I was going to give it the best shot that I could possibly give it. So I realized I wasn't stuck. I was actually in the process. Those 6 months, I was learning. I was learning what worked, what didn't, and what I needed to change. I pivoted so many times in those 6 months, I don't remember how many times I pivoted. And because I stayed in it, everything started to click. Everything started to click. The decision that I made to not give up and to see it through, regardless of what happened, because I didn't know what was going to happen, I just knew what I needed to do every single day to give myself the best winning chance. And because I made that decision, it actually turned into a 7-figure brow business with no employees. I am a solopreneur. I have full control of my time. And most importantly, the reason why I even started this journey in the first place, I was able to be a present mom for my son. That's all I wanted. That was the goal. I wanted to build my work around my life and not the other way around. So when you say you're stuck, I'm sorry, I just don't believe you. I think what it really is that you're undecided. And there's a huge difference because when you decide, you stop negotiating with yourself. You stop saying, I'll start next week, I'll do it later, I just need more time. You make the move because I'm telling you right now, the time is going to pass whether or not you take that first step. It's going to pass. Okay. So even with my YouTube, I don't know if you have been following my journey so far. I decided a little over 30 days ago, I decided I was going to start posting every single day. And today, this video right now is, I want to say day 28. So I'm approaching 30 days. And even with YouTube, I was so scared to start. I didn't want to be in front of the camera. And if you look on my social, on my Instagram, you'll hardly see my face on the camera, and that was for a reason. And even in the beginning stages of my YouTube channel, I showed up on camera for the first few videos, like 2 or 3 videos, and then I just showed my work. So, me facing the camera, I did it when I had to. It was never I want to. And now it's, and I want to. I don't feel like I have to do this. I actually enjoy doing it. But back to what I was saying is, even with my YouTube journey, I kept putting it off. I put this off for years. I've been wanting to be on YouTube for um I want to say at least 2 years because that's when I started my channel was 2 years ago. So I've been wanting to be on YouTube for at least 2 years. But once I decided that day, over 30 days ago, I started posting every day. And now, like I said, I'm 28 days in. I'm not even scared anymore. I'm just like, why was I even scared in the first place? Um, and that didn't come from thinking and thinking and thinking and putting it off. I already put it off for 2 years. And then even this last go round, because I'd be in and out, in and out, this last time, I think I took about like a 4 month break. And I was like, I need to stop playing with myself. If I'm going to do this, I need to do it now because the time is going to pass anyway. So, as scared as I was to do it, my thought was like, it's not going to kill me. It's not. And I'm going to suck in the beginning, just like I suck doing brows. I mean, I'll put a picture of my first clients and I'll put a picture of my first skins. I'll find that and I'll put it on here. But yeah, I sucked in the beginning. And the thing is, we all have a day one. No matter what it is that you do in life, there is a day one. Just like when you learned how to walk. You didn't just get up and start walking. No, you stood up, you took a step, and you fell. And you fell a million times. And each time you fell, you got right back up. So now you're not practicing walking anymore. You've mastered it. You've mastered it to the point that you skip sometimes. Sometimes you jog. Sometimes you do full on sprints. But it all started with you taking that first step. So again, you're not stuck. You just haven't decided yet. You decided one day you were going to walk and you started walking. You don't need more information. You don't need another video. You need to decide. And that's what I'm doing. I decided. That's not what I'm doing. That's what I did. I decided. And every day I make a video, I'm deciding to do so. You'd make a decision and you act on it because clarity comes after movement, not before. And that's something that I'm finding out again is you're not going to know what to post or what types of content to post or what's going to resonate, what do people like. I still don't know those things. I'm still just testing. And it's okay to test things out. And I'm not even talking about YouTube, just whatever it is you want to do, you just need to start. Find out what that starting point is. No more researching for information. I'm sure you know what to do to start, and just start. Clarity comes from movement, clarity comes from action. Clarity comes from just doing the thing. No more thinking about it. You need to just do it. I get messages quite often about how people have been thinking about starting. Just for instance, people have been, because I'm a brow artist, so people will contact me constantly through the DMs and comments and stuff, telling me how they've been wanting to do it for X amount of years. And I'm just like, but that time has passed. You've been wanting to do it for 5 years. That 5 years passed and you still didn't do it. So let's say you wanted to do it when you were 30 years old. Now you're 35. You could have been 35 and 5 years into your career, but now you're 35 and you still haven't done the thing that you wanted to do. So just think about that. I'm 45 doing the YouTube journey. When I'm 55, or even when I'm 50, when I'm 46, shoot, I'm going to look back and say, I am so proud of you for starting that day back in 2026, you know? So you got to think ahead like that. But if you're in that place right now where you feel like you're stuck and confused or unsure as to like what you need to do next, this is exactly what I help you with. You can book a one-on-one coaching session with me and we'll break down exactly where you are and what your next move needs to be. I'll leave that information linked in the description. But at the end of the day, you're not stuck. You're just undecided. And that might not feel like good news, but it is, because that means you're just one decision away. You get to make that decision, no one else. Okay? So the real question is, what are you going to do now? Are you going to stay where you are? Or are you going to go do something your future you would be proud of? My name is Amina, and I will see you tomorrow.